Enjoy your little bit of paradise in the country, with the birds and wildlife, on your own 1-acre wooded lot. No HOA fees. Wonderful neighborhood with easy access to the Turnpike or I-40. New wood-look laminate flooring in kitchen, dining and laundry room. New carpet in living area, hall and bedrooms. New backsplash, sink, faucet and gas stove in kitchen. Very large living area with wood-burning fireplace. Dining area with built-in hutch and large enough for formal dining set. Windows and CH&A was replaced in 2017. Large laundry room with area for freezer. Oversized 2-car garage. Nice sunroom with CH&A, an above-ground safe room and lots of room for plants. Lovely 1-acre lot.